Good morning, children. Welcome to our GK class. In our previous class, we learned about our food. Now, we are going to learn a new topic, and that is a beautiful nature. All of you look at the blackboard. Here, you can see so many things. Look here. What is this? This is the moon. What are these? These are stars. What is this? This is the sun. What is this? This is the sky. Here. What is this? This is a waterfall. What is this? This is a cloud. What is this? This is a rainbow. Look here, children. What are these? These are mountains. Here you can see trees. And look here. What is this? Grass. What are these? These are flowers. What is this? This is a river. You can see moon and stars, sun, sky, clouds, rainbow, waterfall, mountains, grass, flowers, river, trees in our nature. All of you take your course book Term 2 and open the beautiful nature page, and it is on page number 5858. Here you can see the same pictures whatever I have drawn on the board. So let's see here, children. What is this? Moon and stars. Here you can see sun. Here waterfall. What is this? Cloud. Here you can see rainbow. And look here, children. Here you can see river. These are trees. Here you can see mountains. These are the flowers. And here you can see the grass. So, all of you, let's see here. All these things you can see in the nature. Nature is the best teacher. And we can learn so many good things from the nature. So, what is it? This is the moon. And these are the stars. We can see the moon and stars in the sky at night. Moon teaches us to become cool in any situation. And stars teaches us to be friendly with each other. What is this? This is the sun. So look at the sun, children. Sun gives us light in daytime. Sun gives us energy and heat too. It teaches us to live a meaningful life. Look here, children. Here we can see the waterfall. Look here. What is this? Here we can see the sky. And it teaches us that there is no limit. And you can go as high as we want to. Look here, children. Here we can see the mountain. They teaches us to stand strong in any situation. Next, what are these? These are the trees. And what is the color of tree? Yes, green. And trees gives us fruits and shelter to us. Remember, children, look here. We can get fruits from trees. If you throw a stone a tree, still tree gives us fruit. So what tree teaches us? Tree teaches us giving and forgiving. Next, look here. Look at the river. River shows fearless and flowing. River teaches us whether there is a wind, there is a way. Look here, children. These are flowers. And flowers teaches us to smile every time. Look here, children. What is this? This is a cloud. And we can see cloud in the sky. Cloud gives us rain. Here you can see the rainbow. We can see 7 colors in the rainbow. And what are those? Those are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And rainbow teaches us to live a colorful life. Next, look here. Here you can see grass and it is green in color. This beautiful nature gives us everything. Children, we should realize that nature gives us everything. Nature does not depend upon us. We only depend on the nature. So save the nature, grow more trees, save the water and save the earth. All of you remember that nature gives us everything for us and we should learn all these things, good things from the nature. So, tell me children, what gives us light in daytime? Yes, sun gives us light in daytime. What gives us light in daytime? Sun gives us light in daytime. What do you see in the sky at night, children? What do you see? Yes, obviously we can see the moon and the stars in the sky at night. In night time we can see moon and stars. What gives us rain, children? Clouds gives us rain. What gives us rain? Clouds gives us rain. What do you see in the nature? We can see in the nature moon, stars, sun, waterfall, clouds, rainbow, sky, mountains, trees, grass, flowers, river. What gives us everything? Beautiful nature gives us everything. What gives us everything, children? Beautiful nature gives us everything. All of you, once again, read all these pictures. Moon and stars, sun, waterfall, clouds, rainbow, trees, flowers, grass, river, mountains, about beautiful nature. After completing that, take your GK worksheet. EVS, here you can see EVS. Open the page number 2 to 22. Open this page, children. Here you can see clouds, mountains, the sun, tree. So what you should do here? You take your crayons and color the clouds, sun, tree and mountain. After completing, look here children. After completing coloring, turn the page. Look here, what you can see here? Here we can see one box with parrot. So what you should do here? What you learn in a beautiful nature? about sun, about tree, about sky, about mountains and everything. So what you should do here? You should draw a sun, draw a tree, draw the sky, draw the mountains and draw the heart too. Here in the box you should draw sun here, then after the sky, then mountains, heart. After completing the drawing, turn the page. Here you can see rainbow but without colors. So what are the rainbow colors, children? Just now I told you violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So start from the down to up. In first box you should color the violet, then indigo, then blue, then green, then yellow, then orange, then red color. And color this rainbow, and before here you should draw the sun, tree, sky, mountain and heart and color all the things. Okay children, thank you.